Hi guys. So, happy Craftmas. I gotta start every video like that. So today I am gonna show you 4 different things you can do with items from the dollar store. So really quickly, I'll show you my little haul and then we'll get back to the crafting. All right, so I picked up a lot of fun things. So here are my ideas. So my first idea is that I'm gonna put this tea, I'm gonna cut this out of vinyl and put it on the little canister that I'll show you below, and I'm gonna fill it with tea bags. So that is a super quick and easy gift idea for anybody that likes tea, or if you just want some cute decor around the house. This I will also cut out of vinyl, and obviously I'll put this on the wine glass. These I will also cut out of vinyl and put them on the cute little plastic kind of canisters that I got, and of course, just because they're my nieces and my nephew, I'll fill it with some candy and some treats for them. And then these I'm going to cut out of heat transfer vinyl, and I'm actually going to use flocked HTV, which is kind of like a fuzzier HTV, and I'm going to put that on the stocking. So these are going to be for my friends Ryan and Karina. Do I think they actually need stockings or want stockings? I don't know, but I'm filming it. So it's another great idea, and those stockings were $1 each. So in total, everything I got at the dollar store, I got 2 wine glasses, a box of tea bags, 3 plastic canisters, a tea, like a little canister glass holder, 2 stockings, 2 bows, and I think that's it. And everything came out to about a little over $11. So I will show you. So like I said, this is going to be vinyl, 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 HTV. So I'll show you how I'm going to cut all of that out. Our crafts. So this is going to be for the wine glass and for the names that are going to go on the plastic. All right, so we can load our mat. All right, I do need to change the settings to vinyl because we're just cutting out regular old vinyl, and we can cut. Alright, so we can unload our mat. This is a new mat, so it's a little more challenging getting. Alright, so now we're going to just do the tea decal with just this regular 651 vinyl, so we can leave our cut settings the same. And load our mat. Alright, so we can unload our mat and move our Cricut out of the way. Take this off of our mat. Alright, so first let's do our little tea box here, or tea canister here. I think this will be so cute. So again, I just got this at this tea and the canister at the dollar store. There probably was a less aggressive way to open that, but I'm excited. All right, so I'm just gonna take this. Oh, and they're cute little wrapped bags. So we can just put these kind of in here nicely. Is this tea good? I have no idea. I don't drink tea, but you know what? It's for the gift. So actually, to put this on here, we're gonna need to leave it open for now. So all we need to do is peel up the vinyl and weed the vinyl. And this tea SVG I got from just Cricut, so it's just something that you can find in Design Space. All right, get rid of this tea box. All right, so I'm going to take a piece of transfer tape. And this transfer tape is from Expressions Vinyl. Auntie Tay sent this to me. I'll link it below. So we peel off our carrier sheet. My neighbors are like going insane right now. I don't know what's happening. All right. So all we have to do now is just stick this kind of right in the center. Press our vinyl down and peel off our transfer tape, and voila, you have a customized little tea jar. And actually what I realized is that I think I should offset the lid a little bit so this isn't hanging right in front, and all you need to do is just kind of like move this part. So now we can shut it on the corner and it's not blocking the vinyl because we just worked so hard. We don't want to like block that. So gift number 1, check. All right, gift number 2, wine glass. Super easy. Just like with the tea box, all we're gonna do is just peel away the vinyl we don't need. And this is also an SVG I got from Cricut. All right, so now we're just gonna take, oh, I think I have the eye right here, or the dot to the eye. Oh my God, that took forever. Okay, so now we're just gonna take our transfer tape. That is definitely not big enough. All right, so now we're just going to put our transfer tape right on our vinyl. All right, so now we'll peel off our carrier sheet. Okay, so now the trick with the wine glasses is I like to cut slits in the vinyl. I don't know why, but it helps when putting vinyl onto a curved surface. Having a slit in the glass for some reason just makes it a little bit easier to avoid bubbles and to easily remove the transfer tape without it like puckering. So I'm just gonna stick this right in the center. I like to do the middle first And now I'm going to take my scraper and just evenly apply pressure all the way over. I'm going to do the same thing to this side, just all the way. All right, so now we're going to just push all this down nice and smooth. All right, so now we can peel off our transfer tape. And these slits just kind of make it easier for the tape to come off of the curved surface without it compromising the vinyl. But somehow, oh, the dot to this eye is just freaking not having it. All right. Gift number 2, check. All right, we're going to do these canisters now. You already know I have, well, unless you're brand new here, I have, actually I'm going to separate these. I have 2 nieces and 1 nephew. They're all brother and sisters. So if I do 1 for 1, I do for all, just to keep the peace in that household. So again, just weeding out the vinyl, nothing crazy. All right. So now we just need to apply these. Same exact process as with the wine glass and the tea canister. So I'm just going to cut a piece. All right, so we'll start with Morgan. Peel off the carrier sheet. All right, so now I'm just going to wrap these around. So I'll start in the middle and work my way out. And of course then I'll fill this with like candy or whatever. All right, we got Morgan. Now we'll do Maddie. And I'm going to use the same piece of transfer tape. I'm pretty confident I can get all 3 of these with the same piece of transfer tape. We'll see. Whoop. Alright, so now we'll do Maddie's. I'm going to peel the transfer tape off. Got Maddie. Now we'll do Coop Dog, as he's referred to. Again, this is just the same piece of transfer tape. It's doing okay. This is the moment of truth. All right, now we'll do the last one for Cooper. Work our way out. Battery's about to die, so we'll wrap these up. Oops. right. Gift number 3. Check. All right, you guys, so I know not everything went as planned, but we did get 3, well, honestly, I got, really, if we count one of these as a gift, 5 gifts out of my dollar store trip. So I hope you guys found this helpful and, you know, somewhat entertaining, because, you know, sometimes things just don't go as planned. So we learn from it. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And as always, happy crafting and happy Craftmas.